Hi everybody and welcome to a new video called How and Where to Buy Gold Bars. This article can be found in the GoldSilver.com blog where Sir Mike Maloney, sir which has been studying gold and silver for more than 20 years, brings us some valuable information about economy, finance, and how to track your personal economy and how worldwide markets are economically driven by gold. So here, this article, How and Where to Buy Gold Bars, we can see a video in YouTube, though I don't think I'm going to listen to it. Okay, you can check it if you want. I'm read a little bit this article, right? In this gold bar buyer's guide, we'll cover why buy gold bars, how to buy gold bars, where to buy gold bars, and which gold bars to buy. So, first, why buy gold? Gold is not used as a currency today, but its role as money make it superior to any currency. In fact, gold has been money longer than any currency in history. One of the crucial promises of money is that it serves as long-term store of value. Gold fulfills this promise better than any fiat currency. In this graph, we can see that all major currencies have depreciated relative to gold. Here, the value gold, let's say, is value. How do we measure or express it? Let's say that gold is the benchmark at 100%. So let's say this is in percentage. So we've got other currencies like marks, yens, Reichsmarks, United States dollars, pound sterlings, Deutschmarks, euros, ECUs, excuse me for that phone vibration. So we can see that all major currencies have depreciated relative to gold, right? So, as Mike Maloney said in another video, fiat currencies tend to go back to their original value, which is zero. Yes, sir, zero. If you buy physical gold, you can hold it in your hand, something you can do with most any other investment. Real gold can be destroyed by fire, water, or even time. Gold is tangible, finite, and highly liquid. Gold is easily convertible to cash and can go with you anywhere. Physical gold is one of the most ideal forms for long-term wealth preservation. It's also ideal for you, hers, since it will outlast any currency they might use in the future. The advantage of buying gold bars. Tip: you will get more ounces for your money with bars than coins. The primary reason investors choose a gold bar is that it's less expensive than a gold coin. Premiums are lower because coins have a more intricate design and thus greater labor and machining costs. Coins may be prettier, but you'll pay extra for that appeal. The other advantage of gold bars is that they're easier to store. A gold bar takes up less space than the same number of ounces of coins. In fact, bars were originally designed specifically for ease of storage. Buying gold bars doesn't compromise any of the core advantages of gold. They are portable, private, liquid, and will last forever. Pick the best gold bar size for you, right? Big bars do not offer the divisibility smaller ones do. There are fewer potential buyers, there is a lower counterfeiting risk, it avoids the need for an SA. So the advantage of buying a large gold bar is that the premium will be smaller, but you lose these other advantages when you purchase the biggest bar you can. High net worth investors could buy a large bar, provided they also have some bars denominated in smaller ways. On the other hand, premiums on smaller gold bars are higher, but they are still more affordable, and owning a little gold is better than not owning gold at all. So the first step in knowing what to look for when buying gold bars is this. The second thing to look for when buying gold bars is the stamping and hallmark. Gold bar brands matter. Choose wisely. So a reputable gold bar should have weight on it. It should have its purity on it, its refiner, and a registration number stamped on it, right? So it's important to buy these gold bars with these markings. Without them, you don't know what you're getting, and a future buyer will probably demand an SA. There's an easy way to show your gold bar as proper stamping, and that's to buy bars with a reputable hallmark. Okay, here are some of the world's most highly regarded refiners: Johnson Matthey, Argor Eros, Pam Suisse, Valcambi, and sovereign mints such as the Royal Canadian Mint and Perth Mint. There are others, okay? So the easiest way to avoid getting ripped off is to buy a reputable brand. Where to buy gold bars? You know, only reputable dealers. Okay, plenty of positive customer ratings, a buyback policy, and no pushy salespeople. Okay. How do you know if you're dealing with a reputable bullion seller? Look for these things: strong Trustpilot rating, an educational dealer or website. Look for larger dealers and volumes. Always check for the buyback policy. Look for multiple forms of payment, and always look for the online store, okay? If you're new, as Mike Maloney says, he suggests you to compare between 3 dealers, okay? Can I buy gold bars at the bank? For most investors in North America, the answer is no. But if you're in Europe, please check with your bank. Some examples. For example, some banks may offer gold products to retail customers, okay? Pros and cons of buying locally versus buying online, okay? Pros of buying locally: you can visually inspect the product, take immediate possession, the dealer may be willing to negotiate on premium, and there's a potential for greater privacy. The cons of buying locally is that premiums are likely to have higher purchase costs and will likely be smaller when you sell it. Likely they have limited product choices, and they may have less liquidity for large buybacks. If you decide to buy online, there are some pros and some cons. Pros of buying online is that you have the ability to order online and lock in price at your convenience 24/7, and you avoid talking to a salesperson. Total cost of the operation is likely lower, and there's a greater selection. The cons are that you must trust your dealer to deliver the precise product. You can pay with credit card, but the wire fees are gonna be extra and charged, and the product only ships after the payment clears, so you have to wait a little bit. Okay, how to store gold bars. To finish the article, part of buying gold is where you will store it, while keeping some at home or near the home can be useful. You don't want all your physical wealth vulnerable to one act of misfortune. The ideal solution is to keep what you think you might need in an emergency, and then get the rest of your holdings out of the house and yet still have it accessible at any time. That option is available: private, non-bank, fully allocated, fully insured Class 3 bonds offer the highest level of security. GoldSilver.com is widely recognized for developing one of the most superior storage programs in the world. Check it out today if you're looking to safely store large amounts of precious metals. So this was the article. Here you can read some more, you can share it as well. So thank you very much for this article. As you can see, gold is a nice hedge protection against inflation and the devaluation of currencies. So probably we're gonna get back to the gold issue and start taking decisions on how we can start bringing gold to our security reserves. I hope this video has found you cool, and maybe we can see each other in the next one. Take care. Thank you very much for coming. Appreciate you. Thank you very much.